In this video, I'm going to show you how to make dog pirate hat. This is a simple and fast way of doing it. You can either do the sewing or using the glue gun or any type of fabric glue to glue them. There will be 3 cutting patterns involved. In my previous video, I have showed you how to make your own cutting patterns. You can click on your left hand side upper corner. It will show you how to make cutting patterns like this. This is considered for a smaller dog. Just one you can get from the craft store. For me, I'm doing one, but just in case, you can get a few of it. Different color. It doesn't have to be white. You can do the black, red, or pink, any type of color, or even leather. This is, by the way, this is Italian leather. It's shining and it's really soft hand touch. It's very simple, fast and simple. Once you got the cutting pattern down, and I fold it in half and then cut those 2 panels off, and the last one will be this panel, sample of it, that has been sewn by hand. If you have sewing machine, it will be faster. You can do so, and this is extra portion. Once you sewed it up, and you can sew that panel. This is one has been sewn right here, one here, and then one on the top. Fold this portion and then fold both in together. But before you do that, you will need to apply the trim. There are all kinds of trims you can substitute. It doesn't have to be the gold one. It doesn't have to be this fancy one. You can use, I'm doing the fabric, and the gold trim, this one works too. And then we have this type of trim. Let's do this one using this one. And this really brings out the hat. It makes it look really, really fancy. Did a similar right here. I made a little bone. I drew on a piece of paper and cut it down, and then trace it down here, and that gives you a little decoration right here on the top on the hat.